Hi everyone, this is Stephanie Thomas of the Sales Tax Sisters and Thomas PC. Today we're going to talk about some invoice basics that I think every business should know. So stay tuned for after the music plays, which should be just about now. Hi everyone, thanks for finding us. Today we're going to talk about a few invoice basics that I've noticed not everybody knows, and I think that they should because it would make their life a whole lot easier. The first thing is to make sure that the customer name is actually the name on the invoice is actually your customer. I found that you have a lot of people who don't necessarily do that, which is really kind of bizarre. Be specific, especially if you're dealing with a large company. You want to make sure that you have the appropriate name because there are a whole lot of subsidiaries and divisions and whatnot. You want to make sure that it's very clear who your customer is on the invoice. The other thing is if you are selling a service, especially, make sure that it's very clear what service you are selling, that the description is very clear in all your documents as well as your invoices, their contracts, that it's very clear what it is you're doing because taxability is determined on what is actually being sold. So if it's not clear, that is not a good thing. Ambiguity is not your friend when it comes to sales and use tax. The other thing is if something is being shipped out of state or in state, shipped anywhere, have the ship to address on there. That is important. And if at all possible, have the complete address, which means the city and the zip code, as well as the street address. All of that is very important because depending on what it is you're doing, the tax rate that you charge or that is applicable may be based on that. So those are just a few basics. Know who the customer is. Make sure that name is very clear. Make sure the description of what it is you're selling is very clear. This is especially true if you're selling a service. And also, if something is being shipped, make sure you have the ship to address. And if at all possible, make it a complete address. And those are some basics that'll help you if you are ever audited or if you have a question about something. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know. If you have any comments, put it in the comment box. That's what it's for. We'll also have some links, helpful links, hopefully, in the description box. And we'll see you next time. Have a happy and healthy and good day, everybody. Thanks. Bye.